Unboxing the UGOOS SK4 Android 14 TV box was a refreshing experience. From the start, the packaging felt tight and purposeful, featuring a stylish, compact purple box, a well-built power adapter, HDMI cable, and a modern remote with both voice and gyro support for effortless control. Setting it up on my TV was seamless. Within minutes, the device booted into a clean Android 14 interface, and the SK4's signature UGOOS settings panel immediately impressed with its deep customization options, letting me tweak controls, remap buttons, and even fine-tune external accessories for a truly tailored setup. I have tested countless TV boxes over the years here at China Gadgets Reviews, from budget sticks to high-end media players, but unboxing a new UGOOS device always feels different. They don't just build streaming boxes, they build tools for power users. With the release of the UGOOS SK4, equipped with the cutting-edge Android 14 and the new Amlogic S905X5MJ processor, I was eager to see if the hardware finally caught up to their legendary software.